Here's how to update your map link for your website. Let's start by updating the photos of the locations. Click the image and press delete, the frame will remain in place. Then, let's upload fresh photos for the images. And then, drag the pic you want right into the frame, easy. Feel free to move or resize the photo in the frame. You can even adjust the transparency if you like. It's now time to update the address in the text box. You'll see, I'm just grabbing the address directly from Google Maps, to keep it accurate. Finally, I'll be updating the Link to View Map button. To edit, just right-click the View Map button. Then click on the Edit Link. Here, you can see the link box showing the current link. Next, head over to Google Maps to grab the updated link. Click on the Share button, then click Copy Link. Go back to Canva, then paste the new link. Don't forget to press Done to save the changes. Linked text is underlined by default. Click U in the top toolbar to remove it for a cleaner look. Just follow the same steps to refresh the reception map link. Now, let's click Preview to check if the View Map button opens the updated map. And that's it. The View Map button has been successfully updated and is now working with the new map link. Want to learn more about editing your Canva website template? Subscribe to see more videos like this.